Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making meatloaf. So to begin we want to start by making a panade. So to do that we're going to take 2 slices of bread and we're just going to tear it into small pieces. And then to that we're going to add 1 egg as well as a cup of milk, and we're going to stir this all together. And then next we're going to add our seasonings. So I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and then a pinch of red pepper flakes. I'm also going to stir in 1 small onion that's been very finely diced, as well as 1 carrot and 2 minced cloves of garlic. And I'm also going to add about 1/3 of a cup of ketchup. And once our liquid ingredients are all mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and add our ground beef, and I'm going to use about 1.5 pounds here for this recipe. Next I'm going to go ahead and add about 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, as well as 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and then just mix this into our meat mixture. And once it's all combined, I'm going to place this in a loaf pan. Something that you'd use for banana bread is totally fine, and just spread out the meat until all the 4 corners are nicely filled. And next we're going to start making our sauce. So to do that we're going to take 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and we're going to add a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of pepper. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, as well as a half a cup of ketchup. And we're just going to stir this all together, and then we're going to pour it over our meat, and then we're going to bake the meatloaf for about 50 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees until the meat is fully cooked. And here's the finished product, meatloaf. If you like this recipe, remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.